नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली व नुसल्लिम अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अलम यकुन नुत्फ़तम मिन मनिय्यिन युमना सदक़ल्लाहुल अलिय्युल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका लमिनश शाहिदीन वश-शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। I recited which ayah so Almighty says in this ayah that was he not just a one drop of semen that is discharged. Actually, I wanna say many days ago an anxious person came when I was standing on my seminar roof, and the very first he made a greet. Also I responded to his greeting that peace be with you. Thereupon he asked about the followers, that to whom follower you. I reciprocated, I am follower to Holy Prophet. Then he also said, can you explain me about the followers, that how much followers are available in whole universe to Holy Prophet. I reciprocated, if you wanna inquire about the only in India, that how many followers are available only in India, so I can tell and also express. Then he said, please tell me. Then I told, uncountable followers are available only in India. Then he said, I agree with you, I believe your talk, but right now I am not understanding this thing. So please tell me, who made you? Who is created to you? I reciprocated, my creator is only Almighty. Almighty made me. Then he also said, how can you say that your creator is only Almighty, but you are going on the constitution of the Holy Prophet? You are not going on his rules. Who is created to you? So what is the situation? What is the matter? In the end, I also said to that, I am telling too late, but you are not understanding my thing. So I know it doesn't matter. But right now, whatever I'll tell, I want a whole attention. And all people are watching me on the mobile right now. I want a whole attention to there. Almighty has 1,24,000 prophet approximate, in which include Holy Prophet. Now you ask that what is the post of Holy Prophet? So Holy Prophet is chief of all prophet. Now you ask that what is the meaning of Holy Prophet's name? So meaning is there is predictor, prognostication, vaticination, and you can say anonymous teller. Almighty provided Holy Quran to Holy Prophet, in which total things are available: how to take bath, how to take lunch, how to take dinner, how to make the conversation for respectable person, how to make the confabulation with disgraceful person, and accept it, to whom worship, how much time to take worship, what kind of take clothes, as a hadith of Holy Prophet, wear white clothes, for they are more clean and pure and sure, and your dead in them. And accept it, only you can say that whatever Holy Prophet took, only from Almighty took. Almighty provided Holy Prophet and Holy Prophet to us, only difference it. Because few things, there is specific for few things, you know already. When Almighty was removing Adam alayhi salam from paradise, so Almighty said to Adam alayhi salam that get out from paradise and go and generate children for the death, produce children for the death, make buildings for destruction, construct homes for destruction. And one day Holy Prophet was standing near of the trash heap. Then Holy Prophet took a old bone in your hand. After taking a old bone in your hand, Holy Prophet said, the world, this is the world. What is the mean? What is the reason? So reason being, this point is giving us a hint of this thing. Adornment of world will be like this old bone, and human mobility will be like this old bone. There is one more tradition of Hazrat Jesus alayhi salam. Hazrat Jesus said, by making the world a god, don't become his servant. And there is one more hadith of Holy Prophet from Hazrat Musa bin Yasar raziyallahu anhu. Hazrat Musa bin Yasar raziyallahu anhu said that whom Almighty doesn't like in your creatures all the most. So the world, this is the world. Ever since Almighty has created this world, one time to hasn't seen with mercy. and the world is his whom, whose hasn't any whom, and there is his goods, whose hasn't any goods. Only idiot collect it, only illiterate does covetous for this, only mindless does animosity and does envy for this, only uncertain does struggle for this accusation. There is a one more hadith of Holy Prophet from Hazrat Abu Huraira Raziyallahu Anhu. Hazrat Abu Huraira Raziyallahu Anhu said, one time Holy Prophet said that truth comes out of world I get it done demonstrate. I submitted, yes, O Prophet of Almighty. Then Holy Prophet, by holding my hand, took me in a valley of Medina, where was Tush, and in was garden is this, and there were some snips, rocks, namely tater, and there was old bone head of human. Then Holy Prophet, by seeing old bone, then also old bone of human, there was like of you, and there were very graves, but today there is only bone on which hasn't leather now also, namely fur, that is to say, we can say also from this type, there is no leather on this now, there is no fur on this now. And recently in a short time this has happened soil, this has happened clay, and today people about side to there, and except Holy Prophet said that, and these old snips, rock, whichever there were costumes for there, and this bone were vehicles for there, on which by riding used to go to towns, cities to cities, I mean which from these used to make the mobility hither and thither. In the end, Holy Prophet said, if anybody like the most at the punishment of world, so he should very cry. After that, Holy Prophet very cried, and also Hazrat Abu Huraira Raziyallahu Anhu very cried. So whatever I told right now, I hope that you have understanding. So please remember me in prayer. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Astaghfirullah rabbil kulli dhanbin wa atubu ilayh. Wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi al-aliyyil